Ste vedeli, da obstaja gozdna medicina? In to ni neka bla, bla, bla zadeva, ampak ima neverjeten potencial, sploh v Sloveniji, kjer gozdovi obstajajo skoraj 60% delež. Ni čudno, da je bila Slovenija izbrana za izvedbo 5. mednarodnega kongresa Gozdovi in njihov potencial za zdravje. Na tem kongresu smo se pogovarjali s profesor dr. Sop Shinu iz Nacionalne univerze Čangbak v Koreji in predsednikom Korejskega foruma za gozdno terapijo. Spraševali smo ga o različnih tematikah vezanih na gozdno terapijo, ki resnično predstavlja ogromen potencial za zdravje ljudi. Gozd je terapevtski.
When I was a child, I am very familiar with the forest, and my hometown is located around the forest. So at that time, I visited the forest every day. So when I was a child, I naturally choose my majors as a forestry. Then after college, I went to Canada for my graduate studies, and my supervisors are working on the benefits of psychological benefit from the interaction forest. So then I very was interested in that project. So I naturally come to the research topic that the scientific research on the psychological benefits from forest. So then that topic was my whole career's research topic. I have many cases and many experience with the people in depressions and anxiety and other psychological problem. And even they went to forest for 3 days. I saw they were very comfortable, and the stress levels was reduced as a normal. So I confidently believe that the power of forest for the area. I work on scientific the finding from the forest therapy for the depressions and anxiety and etc. And even for the very severe the stress level can be reduced after 3 days. That's a scientific the research report. Medical is their own the role for the treatment of the illness. But the forest also have a very beneficial for their, the therapy or healing. So usually the forest gives some immunication strength. So especially in psychological problem, the forest is very powerful, I think. Korea has a very special legislation using forest for public or the personal health. So that is called the Forest Welfare Promotion Act. And according to the act, we have a forest therapy center and the forest therapy, the area. We have more than 35 centers and area across the country. So people can go to the center and the forest for taking forest therapy program. And we have various the forest therapy program for various target or for various benefit. We have a very the natural relations with the forest and natures in our mind, because the human beings have evolutions in forest. So I think we can contact with the forest, then make a walk, and we have a very comfortable and the calm in the forest. That is, I think, the human nature and the human identity.